How to fix Snapchat filter not working. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix filter not working on Snapchat. So if your filter isn't working on Snapchat, the first thing first you want to try is check your internet. So go to settings and on the search bar, type in network and internet. Now then you want to make sure to tap on internet, and here you could go ahead and make sure to refresh your internet connection, and that should be able to fix. And the next thing what you could also do is check for an update. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version. Head over to your respective app store and on the web address bar and on the search bar type in Snapchat. If you see update, then you have to update it. If it is completely up to date, you could try or go on with the next step. That is, you could enable location. In some cases, make sure to enable them in your Snapchat. That is, you have to enable your location. So long press the app, go to the app info icon, and here you want to come to permissions. Make sure to scroll down and enable location. So once you actually do it, so now then you could restart your device and see the issue has been solved or not. If the issue still persists on, you want to come to the same page, app info section, then come to storage and cache. So here you want to make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to log you out of your account. Now if you're sure about it, you could go ahead and do it so, or try uninstalling and reinstalling, and that should be able to fix. So these are a couple things you could try in order to fix Snapchat filter not working. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.